One Ahmadi lady wanted me to ask you about Sahabi of Promised Messiah, where they live, how we can know something more about them, and etc.
It's about the companions of the Promised Messiah, ﷺ. Where do they live and how can we contact them? This is some Ahmadi.
No.
Yes.
It's too late. You know, unfortunately for you, now they have all died. But I used to invite some Sahaba so that you could become, the present generation could become Tabe'een. And I used to ask my daughters to meet them and sit with them and have their pictures with them, so that they should also be counted among Tabe'een of the first generation. But unfortunately, for the last 2 years or so, you cannot call anybody a Sahabi now, living Sahabi. Oh, apna Bajwa Sahib.
Azim Bajwa Sahib. Azim
Bajwa Sahib, according to my research, was a Sahabi. And he has died only recently. Previously I thought Sahaba had finished before, but he is the last man. Azim Bajwa Sahib is the last Sahabi who has passed away only recently.
It's 25th of November.
25th of November. So I wish you had asked this question before, and I could have told you to go to Karachi and meet him. No, not now. But you might have seen them at the stage. In Jalsa Salana, I used to invite them, and that is also a visit. I mean, a sort of companionship. The ladies cannot gain more companionship than that. You know, previously he was not counted among Sahaba. But I insisted, after listening to his verdict, his testimony, he gave his testimony that he remembers Masih and he was definitely in his age, according to his age also he should have been among the Sahaba. But unfortunately he was not counted as one. So I wrote to the Department of History, to Maulid Muhammad Sahib, to investigate, and they investigated and finally reported that he is a Sahabi. So Alhamdulillah, that only up to recently a Sahabi was alive. Before Ramadan, this is our last meeting. Then next meeting will be after Ramadan, inshallah. So I told them to give some sweetmeats. This is for you. This is for you. And pass it on. Pass it on.
يقول حاتم المين قبل هذا آخر لقاء سنسجله إن شاء الله أو سجلناه بالتحديد قبل بداية شهر رمضان المعظم، فلذلك يقدم لنا حضرته بعض الحلويات بهذه المناسبة الدينية الهامة.
Give it with you now. This is yours. Now two for the cameraman. ये दे दें इनको. And the 3 for the cameraman behind. Yes. Okay? MashaAllah. Liqa Mararab passes very quickly. Yes. Inshallah, after Ramadan, yes, then we'll get together.